Order submit. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, I was muted. Sorry, guys. So yeah, 232 was our level, right? The VWAP got tagged. Here's our trade, one trade of the day now. We were trying to mess around for a few points. Obviously, overall I was still up on that 2-3 trades we took. But this is the one opportunity or one shot now. We tagged the VWAP. Still the stop loss is a bit tight in my opinion here. So, but taking a quick stop loss gives me a room to play one more time versus, one trade big loss and then you stop trading for the day situation. So yeah, let's take a stop loss. But yeah, if we are rotating back in, we still try to get back into that trade. Huge level coming up for the market. 225 is the next level. So one more add and we sit tight now. Else I go home with this loss. Prior session closes over here, so very tricky spot. So huge level, 224 area. Yesterday or this morning 4:30 we were at that zone. So this is basically it. If market were to bounce, there's some liquidity at 220 being an important big round number, right? 220, 240. So we have lost $200. That's what we'll try to do. If it pops up, try to take some profit.
Order filled.
It's strong red candle RDGD. Yeah, go for the short, guys. You have prior session close staring at you. Take those short trades if you see 218 220 come into play.
Order submitted.
Can we get one more push into 33 34 area? It will act as a overhead resistance. It's not going to easy to break past this zone 33 34. Let's see if we can get one push into this area. I'll take few more contracts out, leave a last runner, recover that loss maybe. They have paid me. There is a video on my channel about elite trader funding payouts. You can watch that video. So markets are open until 1 p.m. Eastern. So guys, factor that in before taking any big loss, big wins, continuing to look for more profit, especially people like me. That if you are not able to take the highest profit and it rotates down, there may not be enough time left for market to get back to your level again. So a small reminder to myself not to be very greedy in terms of taking profit.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Like ideally I should take that contract out after getting two strong green candle, and you can see, right, I'm still looking for few more a little bit more, why not, kind of expectations. So this is at the resistance point. After a drop like that, coming back into that overhead resistance, not going to be easy to break past that zone. We told, right, 233.34 is going to act as a overhead resistance. We are at 234, looking for the break of 234 zone and 240, to be honest. That is what I'm looking for, that next contract exit. The solid movement everyone was hoping for today, a drop of from 40 to 23 and then a recovery. We are done today now. Yeah, at least 40, that is what I'm looking for, a recovery back to 40. If that is the solid one big move of the day, why not capture every piece, every ounce of it? So let's take out one. So we are left with one last contract. It's a runner now, less pressure, we can trail it. We can give a little bit wider room, two candles worth of room. I never checked how many viewers we have today. $188 viewers. Wow. Never expected on a holiday to get 188 live viewers. Looks like downtrend broken for now. Why did you change to 500 tick? Because market is not moving. Don't worry, we'll go back to 1000 tick tomorrow. Right now there is not enough movement in the market, so to place my stop loss, take profit, things like that, I need to zoom in a little bit more. On a normal day you cannot watch market in 500 or 200 ticks.
Order submitted.
Can drive you nuts. Thanks USA.
Order filled. Order submitted.
So now the old memories should be back. 237 to 240 chop. There's the 240. Doubling my size today. Yeah, we have to. I also traded 4 contract team, so you have to make adjustment today is not going to be a big range. So normally I would trade 1 or 2 contracts. So I had to trade 4 contracts today. I don't expect myself to get spot on right with 1 or 2 trades, make my profit today. There will be stop outs, re-entry, and when you have clarity, use the little bit bigger size to pay for those chops or small stop losses you took. So those are the kind of small adjustment you got to make on a day like today. So huge resistance, guys. You know, we are very
Order
familiar with this
submitted.
zone now. We spend like good morning 1.5 hour from 9:30 at least 10:30 and now almost 11 negotiating or trying to break above that 240 242 zone. Here we are again one more time facing 242 challenge, 240 challenge. If we break that, you just watch hourly. We have 4 hourly candle or last 5 hourly candles stop at 242 area. It won't be easy to just go past that zone right now. Good. At least I passed one elite trader funding account with this move now. Something at least from this non-event, or both entries and exit are perfect. Perfection is what you are looking for now from me. Profitability is fine. The guy is profitable, we all know. Is he perfect now? Thank you so much. Appreciate. Hope some of you also managed to take those short. Some of you were very patient, more patient than me. I know when I was buying that 37, 39, most of you were very patient, saying that you will buy SW Blaze and others, that unless 232 happens, they are ready to wait. So they got 232 and then 24 also.
Order cancelled.
So significance of this level you can see, right? Overnight session, early morning here, we had a nice rally from that zone. So it was going to be important area. You can see, right? Previous top resistance in this area. So coming back to retest this zone, double bottom. Hope it can bring us into 45 and 50s now. That is what we are looking for. It's a runner at the end. I don't mind
Order
if it comes
submitted.
down all the way to stop me. I already
Order
took my
filled.
profit out of 4 contracts, took 3 contracts in profit all the way into this zone. Runner I can give bit wider room if I am looking for the session highs now. I don't know if it will happen. We have huge level to clear. It is not going to be easy to go past 242. We faced huge resistance here for last at least 1 hour in that zone. So yeah, majorly 238 and then 242. So we could be stuck between 238 and 242 now. So no expectations, another half an hour we could chop here. ES was dipping. Yeah, we saw the divergence today, JP. So will I add to my winner here? I don't know. This actually won't be a bad zone to add if we come into 2030 or 2032 one more time. It's a VWAP after all. There is a $6.99, $7 monthly subscription for your channel. Can you tell me more about it? Okay, thank you for asking. Sure. So for $7 a month, what you get is I have a way of trading market, not only futures, but how I swing trade on various sectors, how I swing trade on top 20 Nasdaq and top 20 S&P 500. So I extract some levels, and the levels, they work like absolute charms. So I share all the levels, weekly levels, in the over the weekend. You can see that for various markets. Throughout the week, I provide the update on my levels. What happened to my levels? I gave some levels. Did they work? Yes. You can see this week QQQ, technology, XLK, consumer discretionary, Tesla, Amazon, Apple, Broadcom, Tesla, they all hit my level exactly to the penny, and they rotated right back in. These are the levels which are still in the play. We made a run for it, and exactly tagged those levels. And those are like, very important level. Like you run like good 1-2% point from level to level, from where we left off last Friday into that zone. Not only tag that level, but get a reaction from that level, reverse whether it's on the downside. This is Apple, by the way, and yesterday we had a complete rotation down. So good 2% move up and 2% move down from that level, and knowing that level well in advance always is helpful. How do I extract those level? I use options market to calculate calls and puts that are sold at those next Friday expiration. Helps me got the volatility news, and the risk is already priced in by option market. They do a good job. 68% of the time they are right. Sometimes they do miss. There are breach of those level. This week again, on the upside, we did not stop at those upper edge. We continue to move past those edges, breaching those level. So what do we do in those situations, rollovers and whatnot? And they also help us with the futures market. So I share all those levels. Then every morning, 20 minutes before the market open, I prepare members over those levels, different sectors, different ETF, futures market, options market, whatever you might be trading. I prepare you 20 minutes each morning. So throughout the month, 5 days a week, you get 20 minutes video every morning. Then more importantly, over the weekend, I do 1 hour of knowledge sharing, where I share the knowledge I have gathered in the market for past 4 years. At least that's how long I have been trading. So very detailed technical discussions, where I show a lot of order flows, my trading stats, how I'm performing, efficiencies in the market, squeeze, volatilities, hedging, institutional
filled.
hedging. Again, those are the things I have gathered over a period of time.
Order submitted.
And then you can talk to me one-on-one, Saturday 10 a.m. You can, after hearing
Order
that 1 hour
cancelled.
knowledge sharing session, which is live, by the way, on the YouTube, you join on
Order
the Discord,
submitted.
talk 1 hour to me and other traders, ask questions. All that for $7. And after that, I come to your home to, do the laundry and, cut your grass or lawn. All for $7. So good thing is, if you become member now, you get access to all the videos which you have done so far. So since January, when I started this group, I have done you can see, right, I have
Order
done
filled.
under the playlist section, you'll get access to all the past videos. So 23 hours of videos over the weekend, and those are like not just indicators or I draw a trend
Order
line.
submitted.
Those are like damn technical sessions, like where
Order
I show
submitted.
complete order flow, complete knowledge I have got, and then 116
Order
videos, 20
filled.
minutes. So those morning preparation videos you can skip because they are daily videos, but the weekend ones you should not miss.